Good morning, Texans. Today is Monday, August 24th, 2020, and it is an A day, and it is time for our morning announcements. We're going to start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Quick reminder that today is an A day, so you will have periods 1, 3, 5, and 7 today. Those will start at 10 a.m. And we need to let you know that we are not doing advisory today, Monday, August 24th. We originally had planned to start advisory today. However, the system doesn't have the students uploaded into their class sections yet for advisory. And so we don't have that sorted out yet. And so that will be available by Friday. So we will start advisory on Friday instead of on Monday. So that's an important programming note for our students. Zoom access today. So this morning we received notification that Zoom had been down globally as of this moment. It has begun intermittent service. So what we're recommending to our students is that you try to get onto your Zooms today. You should be able to have access, but in case things get shaky, we'll try it again. That's actually a global issue. Pardon me. Zoom actually was down worldwide this morning. So hopefully it's back up and running by now, and hopefully by the time you start classes you'll be able to access your Zooms as normal. If not, please access your teacher's Moodle pages to get all of the information that you need about your classes for today. School is still happening. And we want to talk about student Zoom expectations. We've had a few issues with some students trying to log into Zoom with names that are other than their own. Students will not be admitted from the Zoom waiting room if they are not registered with their own name, first and last name. If there is an issue with your Zoom account showing your correct first and last name, reach out to your teacher and let them know so that they can get that situated for you. Otherwise, you should be logging into Zoom with your first and last name displayed. Teachers will only let you into the Zoom if your name matches what they have on their roster. So make sure that you have that information on there. We're not coming in with funny names or made up names or those kinds of things. It needs to be your first and last name. The other thing I want to point out for Zoom expectations, we've only had a couple incidents at Northwest High School, and I'm not even sure it was Northwest students. It might have been some other students who got a hold of our link somehow. But there have been some incidents of students coming on and being disrespectful to teachers, using profanity, the various things like that. And so we're not having that. And so if you want to maintain the privilege of being in class, obviously you have to behave properly in class. You need to be properly engaged in class, and you need to be respectful to the other students in the classroom and also to your teachers. Another thing that has been brought up is backgrounds. Again, not any issues at Northwest High School that I know of, but we want to make sure district-wide that this is a clear expectation. You are allowed to use a virtual background. That's where it puts something that is maybe a picture or something like that behind you so that you don't show your background. Maybe you don't want everybody to know what your house looks like or where you're zooming from or whatever it is. And so you put a virtual background, or maybe you just like a virtual background because you think it's fun. That's cool too. But you cannot use a virtual background that is going to contain anything that might be offensive to another student, to another staff member, to anybody. So make sure that the content that you display on your virtual background is respectful and courteous and is not going to make anybody feel uncomfortable or unsafe or anything like that. So you have to be careful with that. Teachers reserve the right at any point to remove a student from a Zoom class, and then they will contact home and they will contact your assistant principals for disciplinary situations. So just make sure that we're clear on those expectations. I think when we have clear expectations, then we know how to interact with one another and we know the proper thing to do. And at Northwest High School, it's been my experience that when students know what the expectations are, our students step up to those expectations. And so I think everything is going to be just fine. And those are all the announcements that I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I hope you make it a great day.